In our journey, the top comes the bottom. Swim! Can you guys swim?
No.
Well, if you can't, I will just toss you a bar of soap. You'll just wash ashore. Looks like that's all they're trusting me with. And now we are on a boat. Wave goodbye to the people on the dock. Bye, guys. We'll see you in 3 weeks. Oh, just kidding, guys. You'll never see them again. Welcome aboard the world famous jungle cruise. My name is Julie, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Sure to run into some trouble, though. Your new skipper's taking over. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary's taking over. Yeah! Order safety, folks. Please stay seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Have a seat, please. And please watch your children, because I will not. Oh, I totally forgot, guys. Don't let the mist get in your eyes or touch your skin. Well, you'll find out why in about 24 to 48 hours. To the right here is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. The reason it is called that, well, the Temple of the Forbidden Me, well, that's just bad grammar, folks. Whoa. To your left is a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Do you guys know why tigers are striped? So they can avoid being spotted. Oh, I know that croc, that's Ginger, because Ginger snaps. And here now entering an ancient bathing pool for Indian elephants. Whoa, looks like the entire herd is out today, folks. Why, that is completely unheard of. Yeah, go ahead and take as many photos as you like. They've all got their trucks on today. Oh, this guy's been in the shower too long. Look at those wrinkles. Kids, if you stay in the shower too long, you might turn into an elephant. True story, by the way. Oh, listen, we got ourselves a straggler here. Oh, no. Please don't spray the boat. Okay, guys, he's not reloading. Oh, no. He's coming over. Get out, guys. He's going to be wet. I'm not kidding, not kidding, not kidding, not kidding, not kidding. I'm just kidding. A little dry humor. Well, that looks dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh no, I think the gorillas have taken over the safari camp. Oh, I really wish they'd stop monkeying around. They could really hurt somebody. Wait, is he kind of done? We better split, folks. Is anybody wearing yellow? Well, either way, folks, please don't make any noises like a banana, okay? Yeah, it drives them ape when they find it quite appealing. Up ahead, folks, we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. It was named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Oh, it's okay, guys. We'll go over that later. And we are now turning down the Nile River of Africa. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, well, you're probably in... Oh, so close, guys. You're in Africa. Here, right here is a female African bull elephant. Yeah, she's so intelligent, she even knows how to speak. Louder. Now jump in. Oh, it was worth a shot, guys. And we are now entering the Great African Belt, where the hand of man has never set foot before. Wow, just take a look at all the animals. On the bottom there, those are called stripy horses. And then above them, those are some long-necked cheetahs. Oh, would you guys look at that? Those house cats are protecting the stripy horsey. Oh, he looks dead. Tired, guys. Dead tired. Oh, never get to an argument with a rhino. You guys know why? It'll always get its point across. In the end. You know, a botanist told me that bamboo could go up to 6 stories tall. Well, I think that's about 7 stories, but that's a whole nother story, folks. Oh, looks like we're about to enter a pool of hippos. You know, the locals told me that hippos show affection by wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. Aw, animals are so sweet. Oh, wait, maybe that means they're gonna attack? I can never keep those two things straight. Oh, I better scare them away. Everybody, please cover your ears. Cover your ears. It's okay. I did not get anywhere near them. That is what we skippers call a hippopotamus. To the right's a perfect example of local arts and crafts. We call that sculpture. Oh, looks like we're celebrating something. Let's see if I can translate. Yeah! Yeah! You know, I did not get any. Did you get that? No? Better keep our eyes peeled for ambushes or the dangerous types of plants. Whoa, whatever! Scoot down, guys! Let me show you. Is everyone okay? I'm great, guys. Thank you for asking. Alright, folks, here it is. The moment you've all been waiting for. It's the eighth wonder of the world. Give it up for the backside of water! 028! 028! 028! For you chemistry enthusiasts, that was an explosive joke. Oh, it's okay. I mean, a lot of people take it for granted. But I thought it was marvelous. Oh, I really should have been bolder with my delivery, but I thought that joke was rock solid. I got some bubbles ahead, very interesting. Got some bubbles here now, that's a little fishy. What is possible? Oh, here's a man-eating piranha! Let's get out of here! It's okay, guys, they are only man-eating. So women and children, you guys are safe. Oh, you guys see that snake right there? That is a python. It is exactly 3.14159 meters long. Oh, hey, Sam, how's it going? This is my pal here, Trader Sam. He is the head salesman of the jungle. Yeah, and that's his best buddy, Ellie. Everyone say hi, Ellie. Yeah, she's not bad for such a little squirt, but we all know he only got her for her trunk space. Alright, folks, here it is. Most dangerous part of your journey. It's the return to civilization. As we approach the dock, friends, please stay seated with all hands and elbows inside the boat. Yeah, you'll notice that there is a dock to the left and a dock to the right. It can be a little confusing, so we call it a paradox. And you know, guys, out of all the boats I've had today, you all have definitely been my most recent. Oh, no, sorry, guys, that's mean. You guys were the best one. And I mean that every time they make me say that. If you guys look to your left-hand side, that is a hibiscus plant. And underneath them, those are low viscus. To your right is a medium viscus. You know, I had some biscuits and gravy for breakfast. What did you guys have today?
Eggs.
Oh, it's okay, guys. It's none of my biscuits. And your both please make sure those hands and elbows are all the way inside the boat. Alright, so when I counted 3 and only when I counted 3, I want everybody to stand on up. The last person standing is a baby hippo, okay? Just wait for it.